Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present financial information that it will be helpful for the people who are involved with the accounts, especially those are general accountant. And it is basically for the presentation for the general contracting business and facilities management business. So who all are involved with this process, with these accounts, they will be very benefited with this accrual processing. It is especially for the sales sales accruals information, which is very difficult every month, and someone not understanding how to take out the information from the system and plug in into the schedule and adjust according to the schedule. So we will have two different information data sources from the system, and we will have a information from the schedule. So schedule based, we have to make the accruals in the system, because system is making entries are making by so many people, and it is not. Now I am showing you here on working file for the accruals. Like here, this is the month. I'm just showing January, February, March. If you are working monthly basis, then fine. If you are working 2-3 months together, that is also fine. It is depending on your organization structure or reporting system. Okay, I'm assuming that we are making monthly basis, and also we are making a 3 months basis. So quarterly we can review this cost and this revenue. Okay, now here I have taken the vouchers information from the vouchers register. So I'm showing here voucher register information. Debit note variation sales. A variation sales in sense of that facilities management company, they have some work for the variation related in work. So two parts have in the facilities management. One is variation, another one is contractual or AMC, annual maintenance contract. In sense of the also you can find out the similarities with the contracting company also. This is very perfect and suitable for the accountants. Those are involved with the facilities management or contracting company. Particularly this video for them only. So delivery note we have booked the delivery note for the variation sales this month 88,000, February 187, 94,000. In reality, this is not the case, because the variation this is the case for the revenue recognition, not the sales we have booked here. Sales sales variation means 45,000 variation sales we have booked. Okay, so 45,000 sales we have booked, but in reality we have booked the delivery note 88,000, which is our revenue. We have correspondent cost against this 88,000, not 45,000. 45,000 I have taken from our system, we are using a tally, so there is coming automatically here the sales variation information as from the sales voucher. Okay, I'll show you in the next time. So now this one for the January month 88,000 delivery note we have to recognize as a revenue, but in the profit and loss account showing sales variation 45,000. 45,000 how we will identify later on how the sales, it is from the sales registration we have, sales vouchers we have taken. Okay, now February same and March also same. Now how much the difference coming? 43, 21, 24. So 3 months difference is coming 40,141. So 40,141 is we need to make the extra sales revenue in the system. So you are down by the 40,000, 370,000 showing here. 370 is the revenue as per the delivery note we have done, and here is the sales voucher 330. So that means sales vouchers reflecting in your profit and loss account. So it is like 330,000 down by this much amount, 40,000. Okay, so 40,000 is the difference in the profit and loss account as per the variation. But in the total profit and loss account, how much the invoice showing? Total invoice showing 263 for January, February 387, and March 238,000. So this invoices including variation and AMC. If I remove this variation, that means 218,000 variation sales is showing for this month. AMC revenue is showing for 218,000. So 218,000, that means 218,000 AMC. Do you have actual AMC 218,000? See here, you have a variation. You have a AMC schedule. I can put it here. AMC schedule. AMC schedule. Okay, 197,000. So that means 218,390 is the difference. That means how much is the net difference coming? 218 AMC revenue coming, but as per the schedule we have 197. This is the 197. So that means we have 20,000 variance in the AMC. So no need to find out all the detail. If you are in rush or you have a month closing deadline, you can go straight away. It will help you. If you have many accountants, you can go more further, more detail voucher wise. Anyway, now 263. So here let me put the decimal. 263,000 we have invoices and sales bills to make in the. I'm just showing you the data from here. So this is the one, like sales account I'm taking. Who all are using the tally? I'm showing you through the tally, but you can maintain with any other system. It has the same concept and standard. So sales accounts. If you see the sales accounts, sales bills to make here 11,000, automatically coming based on the delivery notes. And sales account means here is the sales voucher we have booked for the month 263,000. So I will show you 263,000. Here we have booked the voucher 263,000 here, and sales bills to make we have made in the system. Now 11,000 we already have 11,218. We have sales bills to make 11,218 here. Okay, so to 11,218. So together is coming 274. If you see here total 286. If you remove this one, I'm just removing 274. See, without accruals I made already accruals. So without accruals it is showing 274. So your total sales revenue in the tally recognized in the report level 274, but this is not the case actual. So 274 is less by the 11,000 revenue, because you have a difference in the variation sales, you have a difference in the AMC sales. So now, so you found this 274 and difference. We have made this schedule should be, that means AMC schedule plus delivery note variation delivery note. So we have taken this to 286,000. So 286,000 we are showing the system is showing to revenue, but in reality you should have you should have the sales revenue 286. So it is booked less by 11,000. So now same way February 21,000 difference, 356 difference, and 389,000 difference. In March 299 should be the sales revenue, but there is difference to 26,000. Sometimes it may be minus also. So anyway, your system should have 3 months 975,000 revenue, but we have already 904,000. That means we are less by 70,000 revenue for the month. That means this difference is mostly from the variation delivery note 40,000. Accountant should have the schedule what are the delivery notes not invoiced. I have it, I can show you, but it will take time. So separate day I will show you this schedule. and AMC also 30,000. That means some months we have booked the invoices, but delivery not booked the same way. You know the delivery note process in the Tally, how it is coming. That means once delivery note is booking in the system and revenue is being recognized. This is the one here. This through this automatic system is coming here. Still, because of so many issues, so many areas, some mistakes coming in this sales bills to make, not coming accurately. So in that case, you need to make another ledger called sales bills to make R, means revenue, and corresponding another ledger you can make into the balance sheet, sales bills to make BS balance sheet or B balance sheet. So that will go under the current asset, and this one under the current revenue. So 11,000 you have booked extra revenue for this month based on your actual schedule you have. So system is not populating all the time correctly because of the human mistakes or wrong input. So this is how sometime you will find plus minus also here. See here 30,000 minus, here we are making another 30,000, 32,000 plus. That means it's almost 387,000 we have actual revenue, means 389. So this is the way here also in March month you see 238,000 actual invoice we have booked, but after the adjustment it is coming 299,000. That means sales bills to make here 34,000 showing automatically delivery notes not processed as an invoice here, but in my calculation more 26,000 we supposed to book the sales invoices, but which is under review, have 4 categories like some delivery notes booked but invoices not booked, which are related LPO not received from the customer, reports not made in sense of the variation work in terms of the facilities management company. There are several steps inside, and that is more critical part, and most of the people are not following 3 or 4 levels of the work in progress for the facilities management company. But I have detailed information about it. You can follow different videos for this detailed steps for the work in progress classifications. Now I'm going back to the file again, working file. This is to make here. So finally I have booked 11,000, 32,000, 26,000. So if you see here now with this the profitability is in expectation 56,000, 154, 41,000 is coming perfectly. So if you put the percentage here, you will see here 25%, cost of material 18%, 33%. So it is mostly in terms of facilities management cost is coming like that. So it is varying because of the variation work and different rate we are working. So this is the material cost coming here 74,000. 74,000 material cost related to the variation and AMC. AMC material cost is coming around 15%, sometime 10%. Anyway, average if you can take the 15%, and for the variation work around 55% cost coming. So that's what you should have a sense of cost incur how the cost incurring. So then you will understand very fast, and then you have all other expenses here down. Then you can get it. See here, here is the profit 211,000, gross profit 317,000, 81%, 74%, 66%. These all are different because of the variation. I have different MIS for this one. I know which part actually varying the cost and gross profit. So that is at this moment only explaining how to adjust the revenue or make the accruals for the revenue monthly basis in the Tally or QuickBooks or JDA, wherever you are working. You can use this same formula and method. It will be very helpful. If you have more doubts about it, please keep in touch with me. I can help you without any question. Thank you very much. Thank you for your watching this very material video for you. Thank you.